How to add location to your Instagram post. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Next, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to create a new post. Choose the photo or video you want to share and tap next. Apply filters or edit your post as desired, then tap next again to go to the final sharing section. On the sharing screen, you will see the option Add Location. Tap it to open a list of nearby locations or search for a specific place using the search bar. Select the location you want to add and it will appear on your post. This helps your followers know where your photo or video was taken and can make your post more discoverable. After adding your location, complete your post by writing a caption, tagging people if needed, and then tap Share. Your post will now display the location tag, making it easier for friends and other users to see where it was shared. Now you know how to add location to your Instagram post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.